Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy **backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space **space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space **space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:/boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space C:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.